I woke up to my boyfriend snoring and now I can't stop smiling. I've been with my boyfriend for over a year now, nearly 2. Usually when I'm cuddling with him I fall asleep because his presence is so comforting that I can't help it. After a while I would wake up to him playing with my hair or quietly looking at his phone. Today was the first time I woke up to him snoring. He never naps with me despite how tired he claims to be. I guess he finally gave in today and napped with me. When I woke up I was overjoyed as we had both fallen asleep together and I couldn't stop smiling. I just pressed my head against his chest and listened to him softly snore while I smiled like an idiot. I woke him up after a while and he got all flustered. He doesn't know I woke up quite a while before him as I think he'd really get embarrassed, but that moment will be something I'll cherish and maybe one day admit to him.